my channel. So in this video I will be discussing about the computer engineering branch at SVNIT Surat. Many of you have asked me about this question about the placements in computer engineering, how is academics at computer engineering at NIT Surat. So let's begin this video. So friends, first of all, I'll discuss basic about this branch. As you all know that computer engineering is the most versatile or most demanding branch in the current scenario, and the most beautiful thing about this branch is you don't need anything to don't need any equipments. You just need your laptop and that's your world. You can do anything with the laptop. Complete computer engineering and your complete work entire is in your laptop. So this was one of the reason when I was there at SVNIT Surat. I asked just one of my friend that why had you taken computer engineering. So she told me that I have taken computer engineering because we don't need any equipments. So yes, that was a very valid point. I realized it throughout all the 4 years and now also. So it's a very versatile branch. So coming to how the professors are there, at computer engineering department at SVNIT Surat. So professors are really good, but since this is a new branch, if you compare professors with mechanical or civil professors with computer engineering, so yes, the number or even electrical also, these are old branches, these are core branches. So yes, the number of professors are less in computer engineering as compared to these branches, and also the experience of the professors is also less. The professors are new here in computer engineering, but yes, because since this branch you can do anything or everything. So with the help of internet, you don't need any other resources. So yes, with the help of that you can go ahead. And also the good thing about number of professors are less in computer engineering department, but yes, the professors who are there in this department, they are cooperative. They will support you in your extracurricular projects as well. And one good thing is they don't interfere in whatever independent stuff you are doing, or they don't give unnecessary activities or unnecessary projects, or you have to keep on writing. Those all nuisances are not there in this department. People generally got ample amount of time to do whatever projects or whatever is their passion towards coding, or in this field or in any other field also. People are given such a good amount of time that they can pursue. As per the academics is concerned also, the time which as compared to other branches is less. You get enough time after your classes also. So yes, that is the good thing. So this was about the academics. If about the professors, and also about the, if we talk about your exams, you can refer my video. I have already uploaded one video like what all are the subjects and what is the marking scheme. If I talk about what type of questions or how is the quality of questions which is being asked, or quality of paper which is being asked, so throughout your semester, third semester to semester 8, so questions are always of good quality. You have to refer to previous year papers to get a gist of what is being asked in previous year. So it's not theoretical. Question paper is completely practical. You will get ample amount of numericals, and you will be able to solve those numericals only if you have a good understanding on that subject. So yes, seeing previous year papers, practicing a lot will help you. So this was about the papers. Projects, as I've already told, you got good amount of time. You can devote good amount of time, even if considering your final year project. Since in NIT Surat or in other NITs you don't get a complete semester off for your internship, you will have to do your coursework also. So if project is concerned, you can take help of your professors. Professors are really good, they are cooperative. I'll share my story about the project. I was in computer engineering, I was actually, since the starting of my college, I was into the Drishti lab of our college, which was actually working on microcontrollers and all. So in final year also I took the project related to microcontroller. So my professor, he helped me with all the hardware and equipments which are required for that project. Even I got a good lab where I can sit comfortably and I can work on project. So that is the cooperation which professors provide there. And other thing is ki infrastructure, if you are talking, then it is really like a new building is there, like it is newly constructed. When I was just graduating, we had our 8th semester in that, so infrastructure is very good. Anyways, as we have discussed, infrastructure is not required for computer engineering, then also infrastructure is very good. So let's come to the last point, which is placements. So placements is the thing we all we all want to know about placements. So placements about, see, from all the other branches, the placements of CSE computer science is the best. If you want to know like which companies visit there, so companies like DE Shaw, DE Shaw, Endurance International, Samsung, Microsoft, and many companies they visit. And many people, you can say almost 30% people got placed over 10 lakh of the 10 lakh per annum they got the jobs of. And if you want to know more about placements, you can refer to the official page also, placement page also. And also I will make a separate video about like in detail what all companies do visit, how to prepare and all. So yes, this was just an overall view about computer engineering department at SVNIT Surat. If you liked my video, please do share it, subscribe it, and thank you for watching.